Namaskaram. Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Bhagavad Pada Samarpanam. In today's clip of Bhagavad Pada Samarpanam, let us chant, learn and understand Shlokas 7 to 11 of Narayaniyam Dashakam 4. Let us chant the Dashakam first and understand the meaning. Dashakam 4, Sloka 7. तत्समास्वदनरूपिणीं स्थितिं त्वत्समाधिमयि विश्वनायका आश्रिता पुनरतः परिच्युतौ आरभे महि च धारणादिकम्. In this sloka, Bhattadri says, Hey God of the universe, we would attain the state of samadhi after constant practice of the Ashtanga Yoga. This state of samadhi is the state of eternal bliss where one can experience the Brahman or the Supreme God. He also says that having reached the apex of spiritual concentration, which is supreme bliss, we must again, on relaxation, begin afresh the process of dharana and follow the same steps in ascending order. Dashakam 4, Sloka 8. इत्तमभ्यसन निर्भरो लसत् त्वत्परात्मसुखकल्पितोत्सवाः मुक्तभक्तकुलमौलितां गताः सञ्चरेम शुकनारदाधिवत्. On gaining expertise in Ashtanga Yoga and practicing the same by following the yogic steps, we would attain this perfect path of Samadhi, where we would be filled with the state of exaltation due to divine joy. By your divine grace, we will then, through the practice of yoga, become your greatest bhaktas, and our souls will be liberated by this process and be free to wander about like the most exalted devotees, Narada and Shuka, etc., singing thy glory. Dashakam 4, Sloka 9. त्वत्समाधि विजये तु यः पुनः मंक्षुमोक्षरसिकक्रमेण वा योगवश्यमनिलं षडाश्रयैः उन्नयत् यजसुषं नयाशनैः. So far, in the earlier slokas, we understood the concepts of Ashtanga Yoga. From Shloka 9 onwards, Bhattadri in the rest of the shlokas talks about the experience and journey of the great yogis who practice the Ashtanga Yoga and who have been victorious in attaining the perfect state of Samadhi. There are two types of salvation or mukti, Satyo Mukti and Krama Mukti. Satyo Mukti means attaining salvation immediately in this birth itself. Krama Mukti means beyond this material world where there are other godly worlds where one takes many births and enjoys the godly worlds and then attains mukti or salvation slowly. In this sloka, it is said that the one who has constantly practiced the Ashtanga Yoga for many years and who has gained expertise and has been victorious in attaining the perfect state of Samadhi and wishes to attain mukti or salvation immediately in this birth itself, or one who wishes to be born and enjoy various births in the godly worlds above the material world and then attain mukti or salvation, will be able to slowly rise up the pranavayu or the life-giving breath which he has control upon through pranayama to the sushumna nerve ending through the 7 chakras running along our spine. The 7 chakras or nerve endings running along our spine are the Mooladharam, root chakra, Swadhishthanam, sacral chakra, Manipurakam, solar plexus chakra, Anahastam, heart chakra, Vishukti, throat chakra, Agnyai, the third eye chakra, and finally the Sahasraram, crown chakra, center of the head. Dashakam 4, Sloka 10. लिंगदेहमपि सत्यजन्नतो लीयते त्वयि परे निराग्रहः ऊर्ध्वलोककुतुकीतुमूर्धतः सार्द्रमेव करणैर्निरीयते. We have discussed the two types of mukti, the Satyo Mukti and the Krama Mukti. The yogi who is not interested in the pleasures of Brahma and other worlds and who is wishing immediate mukti or Satyo Mukti would raise the breath of life to the middle point of his eyebrows and leave out his micro self or the body and merge with the divine universe who has a macro divine body. But the one who is fond of enjoying the pleasures of Brahma and other worlds would get out of his body or attain the Kramamukti in the micro form by piercing his head. Dashakam 4, Sloka 11. अग्निवासरवलक्षपक्षगैः उत्तरायणजुषा च दैवतैः प्रापितोरविपदं भवत्परो मोदवान् ध्रुवपदान्तमीयते. O Lord Gurvairappa, that yogi who is interested in you would be taken to the land of the sun by those gods who preside over Agni, fire, daytime, Shukla Paksha or the waxing period of the moon, and who are fixed in the summer solstice or Uttarayana, and those who are enjoying the divine pleasures would be taken till the land of Dhruva, the pole star. We shall now once chant the slokas we discussed today, and in our next clip understand the rest of the slokas in Dashakam 4. Dashakam 4, Sloka 7. तत्समास्वदनरूपिणीं स्थितिं त्वत्समाधिमयि विश्वनायका आश्रिता पुनरतः परिच्युतो आरभे महि च धारणाधिकम्. दशकं 4, श्लोका 8. इत्थमभ्यसननिर्भरो लसत् त्वत्परात्मसुखकल्पितोत्सवाः मुक्तभक्तकुलमौलितां गताः सञ्चरेम शुकनारदादिवत् त्वत्समाधि विजयेतु यः पुनः मंशुमोक्षरसिकक्रमेण वा योगवश्यमनिलं षडाश्रयैः उन्नयत् यजसुषुम्नयाशनैः. That was Dashakam 4, Sloka 9. Now Dashakam 4, Sloka 10. लिंगदेहमपि सत्यजन्नतो लीयते त्वयि परे निराग्रहः ऊर्ध्वलोककुतुकी तु मूर्धतः सार्ध्रमेव करणैर्निरीयते. दशकं 4, श्लोका 11. अग्निवासरवलक्षपक्षगैः उत्तरायणजुषा च दैवतैः प्रापितो रविपदं भवत्परो मोदवान् ध्रुवपदान्तमीयते. हरे कृष्णा. गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा. नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. श्री हरये नमः. श्री महापेरिवा शरणम्.